object name, can you tell me? Orders, customer and country, and invoice number, orders actually. Let's just try to run this one. Yeah, we have an object, data frame actually. This is the data frame. If you want, you can cross verify. This is the data frame. Data frame actually. What is the data frame name? One more time. Move on. Now checking the top 5 most number of orders. Okay, I wanted to check top 5 most number of orders actually. Most number of orders. Then hold on. Let's take this one. Then how to check actually? How to check? Good. Everybody look at my screen. The moment, whenever you are getting this result, so here this customer hidden 1 transaction, this customer hidden 182 transaction, this customer hidden 31 transactions actually. Daniel, I wanted to apply sorting. I wanted to apply what, man? Sorting on what? Invoice number. Transaction count actually. What exactly, man? Transaction count, which is so called as invoice number column here actually. If you want, you can rename. Now what we need to do, you need to call a method. Method name is a sort underscore values. Madam, tell me, sort underscore, one more time. We already know this method, right? Orders, sort underscore values by invoice count column is a invoice number. Chappan sir, invoice number. Ascending equals to false. By default, what order actually? Ascending order. What order? Ascending order, right? Now let's just have to get this one. Let us apply this. Apply Shadan Chodani. Let's, Daniel, you can write a code here actually. Yes, orders dot sort underscore values by, what is the name of the column, Sarji? Invoice. Can I copy paste? I'm very good in that. Yes, very good. By default, what order, Sarji? Ascending order. What order? But I don't want ascending order. Then, ascending equals to, Chappan sir, false. Now, yeah, very good. Very good actually, right? So and so customer, he's from UK. He done, oh my God, more than 7,000 transactions he done actually. Next one, so and so customer, he's from EIRE and he done around 5,000 plus transactions he done. Next one, I wanted to know top 5 actually. What I need to apply? Head method. What method, sir? Top 5 customers. I need top 10 customers. Head 10 actually. That's what you need to apply, right? Now let's just have to get this one. You know this. By default, how many values, man? Head method by default, how many values? Fine. Good. Thank you. Say top 10 customers. Okay. Move on to the next. Yeah, we done this. Roll done here. And go to next template. We done this. Now visualizing actually. Okay. Now hold on. You can just let me take this diagram. Okay. I can take this one. Please don't focus on this code. Then you'll why. Upcoming topic I will cover later actually, but focus on the image. The image may focus here. Let us just focus on this image. But everybody look at my screen. Everybody. Can you tell me who is the first customer? Customer ID, what is the customer ID? Okay, around 17,000 plus. Customer ID is 17,841. Second customer, 14,000. He lies near to 14,000 actually. Next customer, again 14,000. Next customer, 12,000. This one is a count too. Am I right, sir? This one is count. We'll do one thing. Let's create a small graph. This graph name is called as a line chart. What chart actually? One more time. Line chart. We can draw a line charts actually. Line charts. On x-axis, I am taking customer ID. Oh, on x-axis, I am taking customer ID. This column, we can take automatically. On y-axis, this x-axis and y-axis. Can I tell you, 7th standard and 8th standard, we may work. These are all graphs actually. Work chesaru kada meer. Graph sheets lo untayi. Red color lo untayi. Green color lo. I worked actually. Nenaithe pani chesanu. Okay, good. On x-axis, I am taking customer ID. On y-axis, I am taking number of orders. Y-axis, I am taking number of orders started from 0, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 and keep on automatically. What is the maximum number? 8,000. Why 8,000? What is the maximum number here actually? Matplotlib automatically count. It knows what is the minimum value, what is the maximum value. That's the beauty. That's the beauty actually. Go to the next one. When it comes to customer ID, 13,000, 14,000, 15,000, respectively 18,000 actually. Then let me ask a question, sir. Can you tell me who is the first? He is the one, he ordered more orders actually. And on y-axis you can map actually, sir. Y-axis మీద చూడండి ఆ లైన్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి అంటే యా డెనియల్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ టచింగ్ వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ 7,000 value. Who done this transaction? Now can you tell me what is the customer ID actually చెప్తారా 17,841. Trust me, this number should be 17,000, 17,500, automatically 17,000 plus ID actually. This is the one. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా రైట్? సో see, let me tell you, total all customers, total around how many customers you know, Sarji? This data 4,000 customers. How many customers? Out of 4,000 customers, 1, 2, 3, 4, top 4 customers actual. These customers bought more items. These customers bought what item? Yeah, your data visualization gives clear picture. Hey Daniel, how to draw this? Don't worry, that is upcoming session. As of now, analyze the diagram, understand the diagram actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? Can I ask a question? On x-axis what I'm taking? Customer ID. Y-axis what I'm taking? Then do one thing, copy the code actually. You can just try to copy the code, don't do anything. Just copy the code. Go to your template and you can just try to run this. I'm sure you should get a diagram. Don't worry about what code you are running actually. Yeah, you got a diagram actually. You got it. Can I ask one more question? On x-axis, customer ID. On y-axis, let's move on. Can I give you one kind note actually? Kind note. Regarding the data visualization, please don't worry because it's upcoming topic. What topics are upcoming topic? I'm not even capturing the code. Why? Because as of now, just analyze the diagram. Just understand the diagram. We done, sir. We done this. Move to the next, Daniel. Move to the next actually. What you are going to cover? Okay. So what I'm going to cover, previously, everybody look at my screen. Group by, customer ID, country. Previously, what column I have taken here? Invoice number. What column? Oh, now what we are doing, Sachi? Customer wise, he's from country. Which country? I wanted to know total how much money he spent actually. Did you remember? There is a one column which is created by us actually. What is that column name? Here we are using that column. That's why we created actually. That's what exactly meant? We create. Yes, see? Yeah, Daniel. So group by based on customer and country. And I wanted to know each customer from country, how much money he spent actually. Then here you need to apply sum method. What method? Sum method. Previously what method? Count. Why? Because number of transactions I need actually. But here total money. Then go for sum. Go for what, man? Can I get a response from you? Move on. You can just have to come here. Go to the group by. Customer. Which country? How much money he spent. Then he need to work with, there is a column name is a enta and column peru amount spent madam garu, amount spent. The next one, on top of this one you need to apply operation. What is operation? Sum method. That's it, very simple. Then capture the code, Sarji. You can capture the code. You can write like this actually. Let us run one by one. Meeku kavali ante let it just to run one by one. You can just only data frame. Good. Yeah, Daniel. If you want, you can run only group by. Group by method returns group by object. Here series group by object. Data frame group by object. Now you can just to apply this one also. Here it is a series data frame object. Previously group by, this one is a series. Now on top of this one I wanted to apply sum. Man, There is no meaning. This is not required us. This is not required for us. Now there is a meaning. There is a meaning here actually. Okay, seriously, super. Are you clear, sir? We'll do one thing. So I don't want series as a result. I need a data frame. What I need to do? As underscore. That's what we are doing actually. Focus on this. Yep. We are assigning variable. What is a variable name? Money underscore spent. What is a variable name? Money underscore spent. Let's just to assign. We have assigned into variable actually. But if you want, you can just to capture this one. Data frame is ready actually. What is ready, man? Data frame is ready. By default, some order. By default, some order. But I need ascending order. What order? What I need to do? Same thing like a previously. Man, can I tell you? Previous one and this one, what is the difference? You know, their count here, amount spent sum actual, amount spent sum. Good. Sort underscore values. What is the column name? Amount spent. You can move on. Yeah. Anna, by default, what order actual? Ascending order. But I don't want ascending order. I need why? Because I wanted to know top 5 customers. I wanted to know top 5 customers actually. You can just to take the same code. We know these are all. Daniel, when you will understand these are all? If you do practice, then you will understand. Practice cheste even ardham avutundi. Oh no. Comma. Ascending equals to false. Yeah, very good. Yeah, very nice. Then I wanted to know top 5 customers. I wanted to know top 5 customers who spent more money. Top 5 customers who spent more money. More money. Then any idea? Head math. That's what meant. We done this. That's what we done. Let's do for this, and you can just focus on this. Let's take this one. Yeah. Excellent actually. Are you getting? You should understand, right? So don't think like, who spent more money, he done more orders. Who ordered more, I mean, who bought more items actually, he may not spend more money. That's what you need to be understand. That's what we did. Daniel, can we do visualization? Yes, we can still do the visualization. Top 5 customers who spent more money. Now top 10 customers, head of 10 actual. Visualizing who spent more money. Visualizing who spent what exactly meant more money. Then you can visualize. You can get the diagram. Okay. So get ready, sir. Who spent more money? First of all, what is his order ID? What is his customer ID? He lies almost 14,000. Am I right? Good. Repeating again. Customer ID. This is the data visualization. On x-axis, same thing like previously I'm taking customer ID. I'm taking what ID? Customer ID. On y-axis, I'm taking how much money they spent actually. How much money they spent. Started with the 0, 50,000, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 50, 2 lakh, 2 lakh 50 actual. Can you tell me what is the highest money? 2 lakh 80,000. Exactly, sir. 2 lakh 80,000, 2 lakhs 50,000 crossed actually. What is his customer ID? The customer ID will be started with the 14,000, sir. Matching, exactly matching. You need to analyze and understand actually. I believe you understand. Can I repeat one more time? మీరు ఈ data point తీసుకోండి. Let me take this data point. Only focus on this data point. Okay, Daniel. Customer ID, where I need to see? On x-axis. Look at x-axis actually. Here you need to see in between 14,000 to 15,000. Okay, exactly. Amount spent 2 lakhs 80,000. Yeah, so I'm sure he spent more than 2 lakhs actually. More than 2 lakhs 50,000. This is the data point. Are you clear? First point. Yeah, good. Data visualization. Can I run this code, Daniel? Yes, you can run. Yeah, you got a data visualization. You got what exactly, sir? Data visualization. Move on. Where are all data visualization? Simple, very easy code actually. We can talk later. The next one, number of orders for the different months actually. Good. SNS, data visualization related, number of orders for the different months. This is what we are going to work. Good man. So there is one small variable you need to create. Get ready. Good. So we already know this. Can I check initial data? Madam, tell me. Yes. What we need to call? Head method. What we need to call? Head method. Head method. Can you tell me, is it new object or old object? New object. Old object still we are holding. Do you wanted to see? DF. Yes, still old object would have. This one is a old data. Don't touch this one. Why? Because again you are going back. Again you are going back. Just give me 1 minute. What we're doing? Invoice number, blah blah blah. Group by. Okay. Okay. Oh, nice. Let me explain about this. Based on this one, you will get an idea. First point. First of all, this kind of graph is called as a bar graphs. What graph, man? Also called as a bar chart. Bar chart anachu, bar graphs anachu. What do you mean by bar graph and bar chart actually? It looks like a one small pole. Meeku oka stick pole laga kanipistundi, right? Everybody look at my screen. On x-axis, I am taking the name, month and year. Chappan sir, month and year. Did you remember? We created a column. What is that column name? Year underscore month. That we are taking over the x-axis actually. I am giving the name. December 2010, January 2011, February 2011, respectively December 2011. Okay. On y-axis, I am taking number of orders. On y-axis, I am taking number of orders. Man, total 3,97,000 records. I wanted to visualize which month more transaction. This is something like, monthly wise, we are showing the data. Chappan sir, monthly wise. We got a data set around 1 year data. What data, Sarji? 1 year data. Imagine there are 100 students. I wanted to display according to the grade actual. A grade how many, B grade how many, C grade how many. Are you with me or not, sir? The total 1 year data, I would like to display like a monthly wise. Sir, 2010 December this much transaction, and January this many, and February this many. Why this kind of visualization? This gives really great pleasure actually. Manchi idea, sir. Why? Because which month more transaction? Chappan sir. Good. Hold on. If I have given only this object, and if I am asking which month more transaction, definitely no answer actually. But if I am giving this kind of graph from this data frame actually, quickly you can answer like this. Chappan sir, which month more transaction? 2011 November. 2011 November. Which month less transaction? December actually. 2011 December. Why? People are busy in celebrating festivals. Are you with me or not, sir? There is a reason. We can create still this kind of graphs also. We can create still this kind of what exactly mean? Graphs also. I need a response from you. Follow Narandaru? Yeah, good. Regarding data visualization, I am telling, don't worry. Maybe today only I am going to start. I put in the rules. I'm going to start just. Daniel, I need to prepare the data. To prepare the data, first we need to apply group by these are all. Don't worry. Let's apply group by these are all. Okay. Number of orders for different months actually. Wherever order came, Sarji, get ready. Invoice number matter. What matter, sir? Invoice number. Invoice number. Number of orders. Number of orders. Focus on invoice number column. Focus on invoice number column. That's what I'm doing. Okay. Then move on. First, let's apply group by. Good. Group by method returns. Group by object. Group by object. Okay. Now, on where I wanted to apply monthly wise sales, right? Then Daniel, I wanted to apply this. You need to spend some time, sir. If you're really done group by actually, this is a really great one. Year underscore month. Year underscore what mean? Month actually. Now here you need to apply unique. Here you need to apply what mean? Unique actually. Unique. Oh, it is taking some time. The moment when you apply unique, yeah, go df underscore group by and year underscore month. First method. First time you are calling. Hold on. Or group by, either you remembered or not, I called size method. What method? Size method, count method I call, sum method I call, minimum method I call, maximum method I call. If you want, you can go back, and aggregate method also I called actually. First time I'm calling a method name is a unique method. What method? One more time. What happened, backend? Backend lane jottundo cheppamantara? Good. Whatever you are giving, this one come as an index. I hope you already know that. Am I right, sir? Good. Now, this one is a invoice number. Yeah, this one is invoice number. Invoice number, invoice number, invoice number. This invoice number, he done one transaction, and it will be displayed like within the list actually. Within the list. Within the list. List number 1, first value. List number 2, second value. List number 3, third value. Like the total, how many values we got it, sir? 18,000 plus values we got it. How many values we got it? 18,000. Can I ask a question? What is the method name? One more time. Repeating again, interview question. This is not single value. List it returns. What it returns? List actually. That is important. That is important. Hold on. What we are doing with this list actually? Ultimately, I need what exactly, sir? I need value count. I need what, man? Value count. Value count actually. What do you mean by that, Daniel? So this 2010-12, how many times it is available? I need this 2010-12. 2010-12, how many times available I wanted to need? Then you need to call a method. Method name is a value counts. What is the method name? Value counts. Let's run this one. It is running in the backend. Oh, sir, get ready. 2011, how many times it is available? 2000 plus times it is available. Next one, 2011-10, 1900 plus times it is available. Are you with me? Yeah, good. So you will get this kind of result actually. You need to focus little. Group by method, the new method, మీరు దీని మీద వర్కౌట్ చేయాలి. Then I hope you already know these are all things actually. That's it, sir. Good. Are we done? No, we are not yet done actually. Good. Please, I request you. Chaptara 2011. I mean to say 2011. What is the 11th month name actually? 11th month name is, sir? November. Good. 2011, 10th month name? October actually. I mean to say, according to what exactly? The moment whenever you are calling value underscore count actually, descending order, according to the data order, it is displaying. According to what order actually? Data order. Move to the next operation. Yeah, Daniel. So we are just trying to applying sort underscore index. We just trying to applying what, Sarji? Sort underscore. Why sort underscore index, Yeah, according to the data, I wanted to start from 2010 December, 2011 January, 2011 February. That's what I'm applying here, sort underscore index. Everything there is a reason. Can I tell you, sir, these are all real-time operation. You need to spend some time. Just to 10 seconds slow, 20 seconds slow, అర్థమయ్యే operations అయితే కాదు. First of all, before understanding, you have to very good hands-on experience on Python and Pandas. Then this kind of lines you can easy to understand actually. Can I get a response from you? Repeating again, this result we got according to this order, descending order we are getting. But here I don't want this order. I need what order actually, year and monthly wise order. 2010, yeah, first 2010 will come, December. Next 2011, January, 2011, February, respectively. What is the last one? 2011, December. That order I need. This is the index. This is what meant index. I wanted to sort. There is a method name is when I covered actually. During sorting I covered. Daniel, are you covered? Yeah, I covered actually. I covered. Let's check this. Star indicates to working in the background. Oh, great searching. Yeah. 2010-12 December 1400 transaction. 2011-01 987 actually. 987. Let me tell you, this one is a series. This is what, man? Series. Can I get a minimum value? Yes. Or this one you need to call a min method. Can I get the maximum? Yes. What we need to do? Maximum. Can I get the total sum? Yes, you can get. You need to call a sum method. Up to you. But see, Where more transaction, you need to compare the numbers. You need to compare what, man? Instead of that, visualize the data. Then we'll get a good clarity. We'll get what, man? Good clarity. 1400, 900, 900 plus 1300, 1100, blah, 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 blah. Oh my God, sir, 2600 actually. Are you with me? Even it takes a lot of time to compare. It takes a lot of time to compare. Let's visualize Daniel actually. Till now, are you clear, sir? Let's take this one. Who can visualize? It's okay. Don't worry about the code. Star indicates to running in the backend. Oh, something went wrong. Chorus. Oh, I didn't create a color variable. Go back in our running nodes. Running nodes I captured. We got diagram. Go back and can we look at the diagram separately? Yeah, Daniel. Let us spend some time. We know this. We know this. X-axis. Can you tell me month and year? Chapman sir. Month and year. Which month actually? December. Which year? 2010. Which month? January 2011. Respectively, blah blah blah. December 2011. See, sir. Please, I request you. If I'm asking, look at the data. Compare actually too difficult to understand. Too difficult. Too difficult in the sense, you need to compare. We need to use our brain actually. If you have given this data to the small 5th class student actually, if I'm asking compare, he may take minimum 30 minutes. I'm talking about the 5th class student. Why I'm talking? Hold on. He's a non-technical person. But if I have given the same 5th class student, if I'm asking, where is the big bar actually, definitely he will sell November. Are you with me or not, sir? Data visualization will give clear picture to the non-technical guys actually. To whom actually, sir? Yeah, good. So in data science, data visualization is one subject. In data science, Chapan sir, data visualization is one subject. One subject. We can visualize like this. This is beautiful, man. You're writing a program and we are getting image as a output. Chapan sir, you're writing a program, you are getting image as a what, man? Output actually. Output manki images. What happened to online team? Online team, are you falling? How many of you sleeping, sir? Online team? Good, sir. I can see you guys are sleeping. No worries. Enjoy. Good. But I never disturb it. That is my good nature. Move on. Where are we? Yeah, we done. See, previously, monthly wise transaction. Now, what is the next operation, sir? Day wise transaction. What operation? Day wise actually. Day wise. Then definitely we are going to use one column. Column name is a day. What is a column? Get ready. Which day more transaction? That too the business will be from Monday to Thursday. Business is increasing like anything. The company CEO is so happy till Thursday. Why? Yeah, more business. Monday he feel like tomorrow more business. Tuesday he feels like what's that? Wednesday more business. Wednesday he feels like Thursday more business. Thursday he will become little dull. Why? Yeah. See, last 1 year data report we are sharing. Then get ready. He will understand current year also same thing like this actually.
Hello?
Indirectly we are telling your last business data. Just we are showing small report actually. Last 1 year data around some 3,97 rows actually. How much, madam? 3,97 rows. We are displaying like on an average 6 bars. Our bars can చూపిస్తున్నాం. Amazing, sir. సార్ మీ బిజినెస్ ఎలా ఉంది, మీరు డేటా ఇచ్చారు కదా, మీ బిజినెస్ ఎలా ఉందని మనం చూపిస్తాం. విచ్ డే లెస్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్? సండే. వై? బికాస్ పీపుల్ నెవర్ వేకప్ టిల్ 11 యాక్చువల్. ఏమరే సండే నాకు తెలిసి మోస్ట్లీ బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ ఉండకపోవచ్చు. ఎవరైతే అన్నారు సార్. ఓకే, Good. Daniel, can we create this kind of visualization? We can do such. We can do that. Then you can just go back. Invoice count here matter. Day wise sales count business. Day wise transaction. Group by object you will get. Series group by object you will get. Let me ask one question. Either you really followed or not, I wanted to know. Previously, what is the column name here? Invoice number only. What is the column name here? Invoice number. What is the column here previously? Yeah, year underscore month. Please, year underscore. Observe year underscore month. That's what I have taken. Year underscore month. Just I'm doing a small change. That's it. Code almost copy paste. Just I'm doing small change. Now, what is the column name I'm taking now? Chapter sir, day. Unique method again. Unique method again. Yeah. Go Daniel. Processing in the backend. Invoice number. So and so invoice number. Okay. 3. And so and so invoice number. List of 3. So and so invoice number. List of 3. Who need these 3 actually? I need 3. How many times available? I wanted to know. This 3 means what? You know, sir. Third day. Chapter sir. Third day. This 5th means 5th day. I wanted to know total 3 count actually. Then you need to call a method. Method name is a value underscore count. Daniel, what to do to understand this project? Do practice actually. Great man. Great actually. Can you tell me? Value underscore count always displays descending order about the data. 4,000, 3,000, 3,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000. Am I right? But who need this information, sir? I need to day-wise index actually. Then what I need to do? Yeah, sort underscore index. That's what we need to do. Very nice, man. Good, sir. Can I ask a question? What is the 1 means? Monday. Thank God you remembered actually. Next one. 2 means Tuesday. Respectively. 7 means? 7 means Sunday. 5 means Friday. In between there is no 1 day. What is that? Saturday. Why? 2 point actually. Either client is not giving Saturday sales. Otherwise, that day is a holiday. We need to get a confirmation from the client. Why Saturday data is not there actually? That too, not 1 day. It's like a whole 1 year data. Whole what mean? 1 year data. Maybe that day they announced it like a holiday for all employees actually. Holiday తీసుకుని మీరు సాటర్డేని హాలిడే ఇచ్చుంటారు. ఓకే, am I right or not, sir? Good. Really very good. Nice. I believe you understand. మీకు అర్థమైందని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. Daniel, can you? Yeah. If you run like this, you will get to know. Man, you need to spend time searching. మీరు time spend చేయాలి. Where? On practice. The last operation is awesome, but you know I done step by step actually for your better understanding. You start from here. Next execute this one, execute this one, execute this one, blah blah blah. You will get a lot of clarity. Did you understand, man? But can I ask you one question? What is group by? Method. What is unique? Method. What is value underscore count? Method. What is a sort underscore index? Method. Almost all are methods. All are what, man? Everywhere method is discussion actually. I hope we done this step. Yep. Then click on 1032. Let's visualize this. Very nice. Yeah, we got it like this. We can, previously one student asked, can I change the color? We can customize. We can apply cosmetics actually. The topic is upcoming topic, right? X-axis I am taking day. Chappan sir, X-axis I am taking day. Which day actually? Monday to Sunday. Saturday no transaction. Saturday what man? No transaction. Why? There might be 2 reasons. You need to check with the client. Why no transaction? Client may respond, intentionally I skipped the data. I don't want to reveal. That is a sensitive data. Otherwise, client will tell Saturday is holiday. Saturday is what, man? Holiday, actually. Holiday. Are you clear? Which day is the second highest more sales actually? Which day is the second highest? Wednesday. Sometimes during interview they will ask like this. Which day is the second highest? Which day is the third highest? Which day is the least transaction? They will ask like this. More, you can just have to, you can grab the more details actually. Chala operations cheyochu if you really spend. That's what it is. Oh, such a good actually. Hold on. There is a one column, data visualization almost over. There is a one column name is unit price. What is the column name, Sarji? Unit price. Come on, let us see. Chudandi. DF underscore new. Where is that column? Unit underscore price. Yeah, here it is actually. Good, let's just have to capture that column. DF underscore new. Can I access a single column, sir? Yes, you can access. Yeah, Daniel, you can access. Unit price. Chappan sir, unit. I mean each product, unit price. Let us try to apply describe method. What method actually? Describe method. Let's apply. SCR. Very good, man. Describe method returns count, mean, standard deviation, blah blah blah. These are all actual. Sir, I have a question for you. Unit price. Can you look at the minimum value? What is the minimum value? One more time. What it mean, So and so person, he didn't pay anything, but he got a product. So and so person, he didn't pay anything, but he got what, man? It indicates to the same actual. Why minimum value is a 0? Why minimum value is a 0, sir? There are some free products. Chappan sir, there are some. Imagine if you buy 10,000 rupees product actually. Imagine may giving some 200 rupees product as a bag as a free. That bag cost will be 200, but they are making as a 0. They are making as what, man? Conclusion of the story. So and so column, 0 unit price products would you have? What unit price products actually? Can we look at only these products actually? You only products matra manu chodacha? Yes, we can see. How to see actually? Equal to 0. Equals to what exactly? You can create a condition and you can see actually. Check. Daniel, I wanted to see those products actually. Yeah, good sir. Visualization. Sir, there is one good pattern here. Everybody please. On x-axis, we didn't take anything. On y-axis, we have taken unit price. Unit price in the sense, 0 unit price, 1,000 rupees, imagine, 2,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees, 4,000 rupees. These are all respectively. Good. You know what? Where exactly this kind of 1,000 to 4,000 or else 1,000 to 3,000 actually, in between 500 to 3,000, more free products delivered actually. Please analyze the data. అంటే ఎవరెవరైతే కస్టమర్స్ ఇక్కడ ఎక్కువ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్ చేశారో the one who are all done here more transaction, those guys got a free products actually. Yeah, why not this person didn't get a free product? ఎందుకు వీళ్ళకి ఫ్రీ ప్రొడక్ట్ రావలేదు? Any idea? Can I tell you one small point? Amazon will target overall going to buy 500 rupees transaction. Why? Because 500 rupees anyone can do actually. But Amazon never target the Anil Ambani actually. I'm sorry you got it. Amazon will target Daniel, Rajesh, like you actually. But Amazon, why? Because, imagine, question cheppantara, there is one person. It's like Amazon. There is Ambani. I don't know either he customers. There are some what exactly mean customers actually. On an average 1 lakh customers. How many? They bought one product. Each product price will be 100 rupees, imagine actually. 100 into 1 lakh. 100 into what, man? Now conclusion of the story, Amazon will target this person or these customers, man. These customers actually. That's what, overall doing less payment transaction, Amazon will target, take the coupons actually. Take what exactly, man? Coupons. That's what you need to be understand from this data. Don't worry, not all these operations are important. So I can move on. So this one I have drawn with, this one is a horizontal and vertical, we got it.
I filter only free products. I wanted to filter only free products, Daniel. Yes, you can filter, Sarji. In another 10 minutes, we are going to close, sir, the project. Another 10 minutes, actually. These are all free products. These are all free products. Can I help you one more time? Yeah, good. Daniel, kindly please let me know how to capture the free products actually. First, మీరు ఏం చేయాలి అంటే df_new and here you need to apply. మీకు గుర్తుందా? Did you remember the logic actually? Good. Come on, help me. Unit_price equals to 0. Yeah. What is the result you will get? చెప్తారా? What is the result you will get? Very good. What you will get, man? Boolean actually. But who need Boolean? Let's take this one. Create a condition. Create what, man? Condition. Yes, condition created. Df of condition. Df of what, man? Condition. Now these are all free products transaction. Something went wrong. Can somebody help me? Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry. Yeah, good. Yeah, these are all. Unit price. What price, Saji chaptara? Unit price. Look at unit price column. Ekkudundi unit price column. Unit price. See, these are all 0. Why? Because just now we filtered 0 related transaction actually. Are you with me? Yeah, good. This kind of operations you can apply. As I told you, you need to spend some time to understand all these operations actually.